Hi guys, welcome to our tutorial for kids CubeArea.FUN. We teach kids how to solve a Rubik's Cube and different puzzles, and today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Megaminx. If you saw our lessons how to solve a Rubik's Cube, good for you, because many algorithms we will reuse from Megaminx. Video lessons and simple schemes, as always, you can find on our website CubeArea.FUN. Just keep watching this lesson and I'll teach you to solve a Megaminx step by step. Let's solve the white layer. The white layer will be here because there is a white center. In the first step we solve a white star. It means we should solve all 5 white edges. Edge has 2 colors. Let's find any white edge. I'm gonna solve this white-yellow edge. First, we need to put it next to the yellow center. The yellow center is over here. Now we connect the yellow edge with the yellow center and send it to the white side. The white-yellow edge is done. Now let's solve this white-red edge. We should find the red center and put this edge next to the red center. Then send it to the white side. We will apply this approach to all edges. The white-blue edge was connected with the blue center and sent to the white side. This green edge we are connecting with the green center and send it to the white side. The last edge left, I'm sending it to the top and looking for a purple center. Then I'm connecting them and sending it to the white side. The white star is ready, and the second part of the edges are connected to the centers with the same color. At this step, we will solve white corners. Let's find any white corner. For example, this blue-yellow corner. Now we should put it between blue and yellow centers. There is blue and yellow center. I am putting our corner between blue and yellow centers. We will apply the algorithm and send it here. In this step could be 3 possible situations. The first one, when we have white side of the corner is over here, but now I have a second case, the white part on top. For these 2 situations, we should apply the right-hand algorithm from this position. The third situation is the white part of the corner is over here. In this case, we apply the left-hand algorithm from this position. So I have a white on top, hold the Megaminx, the white side on the bottom, our white corner on the top right, and let's apply the right-hand algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The corner is done. It has white, blue and yellow colors and placed between white, blue and yellow centers. Let's find the next white corner. For example, this purple-green corner. The purple center is near. Let's put this corner between purple and green centers. Now we're faced with the situation number 1. The white side is over here. Let's apply the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this corner is solved. I'd like to show you the third situation with this blue-red corner. Let's put it between blue and red centers. The white part of the corner is over here. In this case, we apply left-hand algorithm. From position, the white is in front of you on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. The corner is solved. Let's see one more case. This green-red corner is already placed between green, red and white centers, and we just need to flip it. Hold the Megaminx, the corner is on the bottom right. We should apply the right-hand algorithm until this corner is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. The right-hand algorithm helps us to shift corners from the bottom to the top and flip it at the same time. Let's continue algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this step, we will solve the edges of the second layer. Let's start with the blue-red edge. Let's find it. Here it is. First, we send it to the top. The blue-red edge we should put over here. We can choose one of the two variants. The first one is to connect this edge with the red center and then to place it to the left. Or we can connect the edge with the blue center and then place it to the right because the red side is on the right. Now I show you placing the edge to the right. Hold the Megaminx, the white side is on the bottom. Our edge is in front of you. Placing the edge to the right always begins with the right-hand algorithm. Let's apply the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the white part. Now we should do the left-hand algorithm. 6, 7, 8, 9. We have solved the blue-red edge. Let's solve the next edge. It will be red and green. Let's find it. Here it is. Send it to the top and connect it with the green center. Placing the edge to the left always begins from the left-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the white corner. Now we're gonna do the right-hand algorithm. 6, 7, 8, 9. The green-red edge is on its place. Now we should solve this green-purple edge. Let's find it. The edge is over here. First, we should take it from this spot. We just place this edge to the right, and this green-purple edge we will get on the top. Let's apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the purple-green edge is free. We connect it, for example, with the purple center. Then we apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have already solved two layers. At this step, we will solve the bottom corners of the third layer. These are top corners, but we solve only bottom at this step. Let's find blue, purple, green corner. Here it is. First, we should put it on the top. Then, I'm moving it on the blue side. We should solve this corner over here because it has blue, green and purple on it. It means we should solve it between blue, green and purple centers. How we can flip it? It should be on top before algorithm. Now it placed on the top right. We will apply the right-hand algorithm until this corner is connect its blue side with this blue center. It can be happened here on top or over here. Let's apply the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue side of the corner is next to the blue center. Now we just sand it on its place and this corner is done. The next bottom corner of this layer is orange, yellow, purple. Let's find it. Here it is. First, we should sand it on the top, then put it on the orange side. We will apply the right-hand algorithm until this corner is orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the orange part of the corner is next to the orange center and we can put it on its spot. This corner is done. At this step, we solve the edges of the third layer. Let's find and solve purple-blue edge. Here it is. I'm putting it on the blue side. This edge we should place to the right. We already know the algorithm placing the edge to the right from step 3. But this algorithm can put this edge is over here, but we need to put it over here. So you can notice 2 extra steps in this algorithm. Let's do the algorithm placing the edge to the right. It always begins from right-hand algorithm. 1 extra step. Continue the algorithm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do the left-hand algorithm. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last extra step, 10. This purple-blue edge is on its place. Now I'm gonna solve green-blue edge. Let's find it. The edge is here. We need to put it on the top. Let's do the next movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have our green-blue edge is on the top and I'm sending it to the spot for algorithm. But before the algorithm, we should place its blue side next to the blue center. For this purpose, we can apply these 4 movements again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The edge was flipped. Now we put it on the blue center. And now we can apply the algorithm, placing the edge to the left. 1 extra step. Continue the left-hand algorithm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do the right-hand algorithm. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last extra step, 10. We just already solved the green-blue edge. Now I'm gonna solve the red-beige edge. The edge is over here. We should send it to the top. I will apply to this yellow edge the algorithm, placing the edge to the right. Now I have this edge on the top. Let's flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will apply the algorithm from this position, and let's do the algorithm placing the edge to the left. 1, extra step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and extra step, 10. This edge is done. At this step, we solve the top corners of the third layer. For example, I will solve this yellow, orange and green corner. It's here and has yellow, orange and green colors. We apply the right-hand algorithm and put it to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I put it here. All we need to do just apply the right-hand algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This corner is solved. At this step, we solve the edges of the fourth layer. We need any edge without gray. For example, this orange-blue edge is okay. First, we should put it on the blue side. We have to do a basic algorithm placing the edge to the right because the orange center on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The blue-orange edge is done. I'd like to show you how to place the edge to the left. Let's solve this pink edge. First, I put it on the beige side. Let's do the algorithm placing the edge to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This edge is done. So only one layer left. At this step we solve the gray star. At this time you can have one gray edge on the top, or maybe 2 or 3. Maybe you already have the gray star. The algorithm gives 1 or 2 additional gray edges on the top. Always hold the Megaminx. The gray center is on the top. If you have gray edge on the top, it should be on the left top. In front of you on the top side shouldn't be a gray color. From this position we should apply the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 3 gray edges on the top. Hold the Megaminx. There is no gray in front of you on the top, but you should have the gray edge on the top left. Let's do the algorithm again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have only 3 gray edges on the top. Don't worry, just do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have the gray star on the top side. This step is done. At this step, we solve the gray edges. For example, this edge is on its place because it's blue and gray and placed between blue and gray centers. We go through the next steps. We have only one correct edge, then apply the algorithm and get two correct edges next to each other. Do the algorithm one more time and get all correct gray edges. How the algorithm works? We should hold the Megaminx. When our correct edge is in front of you, what will happen? This edge will move to the orange side, this green edge will move to the green side, and this orange edge will move to the pink side. Doing the algorithm from this position will not give us one more correct edge on the right side. Let's check from the green side. First, I should have the correct green edge is in front of me. Let's see what happens if we apply the algorithm from this position. This edge has pink, and after algorithm we will get it on the pink side. That's really good for us. Let's do the algorithm from this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have two correct edges next to each other. Hold the cube as showing. One correct edge is on the right side and the second one is over here. Let's do the algorithm one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just fix our edges and now all our gray edges are correct. Our goal at this step to get all gray corners in the correct spots. And then at the last 11th step, we will flip them the gray side to the top. What does it mean a correct corner? This corner is pink beige and we have to solve it between pink and beige centers. At this step, we can have three possible situations. One correct corner, two correct corners next to each other, and all correct corners. In my case, I have no correct corners at all. First, make sure that all our edges are correct. What we get if I will apply the algorithm from this position? These two corners will not be affected and this orange corner will take this spot, this pink one will take this spot, and this pink-gray corner will take this space. We will not get any correct corner from this position. Let's check what happens if we will apply the algorithm from this position. This pink-green corner we placed here between pink and green centers. It's great. We should apply the algorithm from this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got our first correct corner. It's green, pink, and it placed between green and pink centers. So, if I apply algorithm from this position, I'll get this pink-beige corner is on its place between pink and beige centers. Let's do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got the second correct corner. Hold the cube, two correct corners over here, and do the algorithm one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have only two correct corners, but if we do the algorithm one more time, this blue beige corner will take his correct place between blue and beige centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have all correct corners and 3 of them are already solved. All we need to do on this last step, just flip the corners. In my case, I need to flip 2 corners, but it could be 3 or more. We just apply the algorithm on corners that need to be flipped. The corner that we flip always should be on the top right. We will apply the algorithm until this corner is gray. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The corner is gray. Rotate only the front side clockwise. Now we should flip this corner. It's on the top right. Let's do the algorithm until this corner is gray. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate the layer and we have solved the Megaminx.